Hi guys.
Alright, hi guys. Right, this is a new YouTube channel we're doing. It's
called Super Specials.
Yeah, it's where we're going to do super specials of everyone else's YouTube accounts.
We're going to be taking the mick out of other people's accounts. I'm Keenan Briggs.
I'm Bagpipe Gaming.
And this is going to be hilarious. It is Zak Cook Specials.
Yeah, Zak Cook Specials this time, guys. Let's jump into it then and show you some of his amazing football specials. We'll be impersonating him, obviously. You can check out what he does and put in the comments if it's a special or not. Alright guys, let's jump into it.
Alright guys, this is the no-look special. Oh!
That was something magnificent. Oh God. You're never going to see that, are you? Alright guys, this is his amazing control special with his shoulder. It's obviously his shoulder.
Yeah, it is his shoulder. Oh, that was a toe poke and a half.
Yeah, look at this.
Push this on!
Guys, this is the Zak Cook Heads and Balls special. This is going to be a very interesting one. Hope you enjoy it.
Could have saved us.
Oh, right. It's sorry. God.
Are you sorry?
It's over there.
Sick of everyone's sick of life. Sick of you. You could have saved us.
Yeah, not my fault. Like, look at that. Yeesh.
I'm sick of him! I'm going home.
Alright guys, this is the chest touch. Ooh. It's heads and balls, honestly. You should laugh at this because it's a goal, right? Right, let's see the control. That is a whopping goal. Oh no, that wasn't past the line, no. That wasn't past the line like Chess did it, obviously. It was a shot and it's like in the net.
It was past the line, Zak.
It wasn't!
Zak, yes it was!
I'm doing my fucking man. You made me angry!
Right guys, this is the Zak Cook Special free kick. Now, I need you to judge if it's an outside of the boot or a toe poke.
Oh.
Let's take a close look, shall we?
Oh, what a toe poke!
You made me angry! Guys, this is the outro. We're doing it much later because our other one didn't work.
Yeah, we're seeing that some of it was true and all that and not, but...
Some of it was, but it was just a harmless prank.
Yeah.
Zak, don't take it to heart, that's what we're saying.
Yeah, you take our heart, just... Shut up. Hey, rude boy, shut up.
But there was the one main bit that wasn't real.
Entirely true,
Yeah.
but it was sort of true. And it was... You made me angry! I love that bit.
So, this should become a vine.
Yeah, please.
This should become a vine.
Yeah.
So you get bees pregnant with become. Alright, so...
Bacon, I swallow it with my cookies.
Peace.